guys, just wanted to welcome you back for another quick video showcasing the July portion of the upcoming QT Treasures. The full collection will be available in September, but at the moment we are having fun showing off Julia B and Casper the cat. And for today's project, I am just finishing off a small mixed media canvas that I had prepped with texture paste a while ago but never finished off. I do apologize, I forgot to click record when I added some drops of green and yellow liquid acrylic paint. I used the Amsterdam brand in case you're interested, as a little side note. But today, like I said, I'm featuring Julia B and Casper the cat. I'm using two of the pre-cut apart pieces for Julia's bees and one for the Casper. And then I came in with a black lettering on white background of the sentiment sheets that came out with the Tribal Treasures. And just a fun, quick little project, like I said, and just also a reminder that the July release is now available. And if you have any questions or anything, you can always tag Dawn about the release, but all of the information that you need regarding what's available, what all the information is for the digital and or print option, that's all available on the website for you, and you can visit www.shinysilvertreasures.com. But like I said, you can tag her. There's a contact section on her website, or you can shoot her an email at shinysilvertreasures@gmail.com. So anyway, like I said, just another little stash busting project. I'm trying to go through, use up stuff that I've had laying around, and I thought this little panel would be super cute with the rose stencil I had put on a layer of texture paste, like I said, a while ago, and I figured this would be so much fun using it up with Casper and two of Julia's bees. So super simple, super quick, as per usual. All the links will be down in the description box, so feel free to check it out. I know this is a short one, but if you feel like doing some speed crafting along, go for it. And as always, I'm going to tip the rest of this one over to the music. And you guys take care, stay safe. Thanks for watching as always, and I will see you in the next video.